Nourishments that can help keep your hormones balanced. With regards to changes in our hormones or issues identified with these progressions, for example, stress or PMS, we frequently don't think to go to food as a cure. In any case, certain nourishments can help balance out your hormones, and remembering these nourishments for your eating regimen can help level out your body and improve your general well-being without taking any drug. In spite of the fact that everybody's body responds in an unexpected way, fusing these well-being nourishments can help to in any event guarantee a solid eating regimen, which can keep your body working ideally. Hormones control almost every part of how we feel, and insulin, serotonin, cortisol and dopamine, also estrogen and testosterone, would all be able to be affected by food decisions we make. 1. Avocado. Avocados are a scrumptious expansion to any feast, however they can do much more for your well-being than you might suspect. On head of being an extraordinary go-to informal breakfast treat, avocados can help oversee pressure hormones, and even affect the hormones that control your menstrual cycle. Avocados are stacked with beta-sitosterol, which can impact blood cholesterol levels and help balance the pressure hormone cortisol, says Chloe. The plant sterols present in avocados likewise affect estrogen and progesterone, the two hormones answerable for directing ovulation and menstrual cycles, as per Livestrong. 2. Flaxseed. You may have known about this new superfood, however, did you realize that flaxseed can have a wide range of advantages for your hormones? Flaxseed is a critical wellspring of phytoestrogens, and it explicitly contains a kind of phytoestrogen called lignans. Lignans have both an estrogenic and antiestrogenic impact, and they have been proposed to have defensive advantages against particular kinds of malignancy. Flaxseed is additionally an extraordinary wellspring of omega-3 unsaturated fats, fiber, and cell reinforcements. Have a go at eating it in your oats, or even toss it in your smoothie. 3. Broccoli. There's an explanation you are constantly advised to eat your broccoli. On head of its huge number of medical advantages, broccoli can likewise work to adjust your hormones. This cruciferous vegetable can help keep up estrogen balance, and since it is so high in calcium, it can likewise help with premenstrual disorder, as indicated by Livestrong. Broccoli contains phytoestrogenic mixes which may advance valuable estrogen digestion, assisting with freeing natural, or awful estrogens from the body. Be that as it may, broccoli isn't the only one in having the option to do this. Different cruciferous vegetables you can appreciate incorporate cauliflower, bok choy, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, turnips, and kale. 4. Pomegranate. This cell reinforcement-filled organic product can help square abundance estrogen creation in the body, as per an examination from the American Association for Cancer Research. The investigation likewise found this could mean pomegranate can possibly forestall sorts of bosom malignant growths that react to estrogen. Pomegranates have a characteristic exacerbate that may repress the catalyst in ladies' bodies that changes over estrone into estradiol, which is a groundbreaking estrogen that may assume a job in birthplace of hormone-subordinate diseases. 5. Salmon. As per the American Heart Association, it's essential to eat greasy fish, which is high in omega-3s at any rate 2 times 7 days. A 3.5-ounce serving of fish, for example, salmon, mackerel, herring, lake trout, sardines, or tuna fish can not just keep your heart sound, it can help those in danger for cardiovascular illness. Greasy fish gives phenomenal great fats to cell correspondence, which prompts generally speaking improved hormonal correspondence. 6. Verdant Greens. Supplement-rich nourishments, for example, verdant greens are perfect for adjusting hormones. Since they're loaded up with such a large number of cell reinforcements, verdant greens help forestall irritation and lower levels of pressure, which can help improve cortisol levels, as indicated by sfgate.com. They can likewise help with estrogen balance. Certain veggies like collard greens, spinach, kale, beet greens, dandelion greens, and Swiss chard are additionally a decent wellspring of iron. Since iron insufficiency can be an issue that prompts weariness, cerebrum haze, and migraines, it's in every case great to consolidate your verdant greens into your day-by-day suppers. 7. Nuts. Nuts like almonds affect your endocrine framework, which can help with bringing down your degrees of cholesterol, as indicated by Livestrong. They can likewise help lower insulin and keep up glucose levels. Pecans specifically contain polyphenols, which can secure our heart and cardiovascular framework by battling free radicals in our body. This part can likewise have mitigating properties, and they're wealthy in omega-3s, which are useful for mind well-being. 8. Soy. The vast majority of us realize that soy influences estrogen levels. However, eating the bean can have some positive advantages, particularly during menopause. Edamame and tofu in limited quantities have estrogen-like impacts on menopausal ladies, Irwin says. This can help lessen manifestations, for example, hot blazes, as indicated by WebMD. As indicated by the Mayo Clinic, soy may likewise have the option to decrease the danger of bosom malignant growth in certain individuals. While it was once accepted that soy could build bosom disease hazard, since it can impersonate estrogen in the body, it has really been discovered that the individuals who have a long-lasting eating regimen wealthy in soy may diminish their danger of bosom malignant growth. 9. Turmeric. Turmeric has of late been known as an extraordinary solution for treat aggravation. Since it is made of curcumin, turmeric is found to have many mending properties. One 2009 examination even found that turmeric had the capacity to ease torment in those with joint pain the same amount of as ibuprofen could. Like soy, turmeric's dynamic fixing, curcumin, can mirrors the movement of estrogen. The root can help limit menstrual torment, for example, period cramps. 10. Quinoa. Since quinoa is an unpredictable starch, it can help keep your glucose levels consistent, which thusly keeps insulin and androgen levels under control, Trevor Cates, ND tells Prevention. In any case, quinoa is stuffed with different advantages as well. As indicated by Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health, quinoa is an incredible wellspring of protein and fiber, having 8 grams of protein and 5 grams of fiber for each cup. Quinoa likewise doesn't contain gluten, making it the ideal nibble for individuals with celiac illness. Eating a decent blend of sound nourishments can keep your hormones adjusted. However, in the event that you are encountering anything strange, you ought to consistently visit a specialist.